Hello, teacher and friends. Now I'm gonna read the book names Comparing Plants Parts. Plants live in different places. Scientists say there are at least 300,000 different types of plants around the world. Each type of plants is special in its own way. Some are thin, tiny, some are big. Some grow on land and some grow in the water. Many kinds of plants grow all over the world. Plants can be different in many ways, but most plants have certain parts that are the same too. Plant structure. Many plants have the same basic parts are structures. Some of these parts are leaves, trunks, stems, and roots. Some plants have thick trunks. Other plants have thin stems. Plants' leaves can be big, small, thin, or wide. Plants may not have all of these parts, but they have some of these parts. For example, a pine tree doesn't have flowers, but it does have a trunk, roots, leaves, and seeds. Plants have roots that grow into the ground. Some plants grow flowers. What are you doing? Some plants make fruits with seeds inside. Some plants make cones. Hurry up. Different plant parts. Plant parts can look different from one plant to the next. You can use these differences to tell two plants apart. For example, many kinds of plants grow flowers, but their flowers can look different. Flowers vary from plant to plant. Plant to plant. Many plants make seeds. Some plants make seeds that are small and light. They can be cared carried by wind. Other plants make seeds that are big but can float on water. Plants parked in different places. Different structures help plants live. The cactus lives in a dry place. It has pleats that store water. Its thin leaves slow water loss. Cactus plants live in the deserts. Very little rain falls here. Some desert plants have folds called pleats. Many desert plants have thin, needless for leaves. The rainforest is a wet place. The giant taro lives there. Its big leaves are thick and waxy. Water can quickly drip off the leaves and into the soil. Then the roots take in the water to use. Giant taro lives in the rainforest. Rain rolls off the giant leaves. Patterns in plants. A pattern is a repeated way that something happens. For example, most plants have roots in the ground and stems, flowers, and leaves growing above the ground. This is a pattern in plants. Roots usually grow into the ground. They are often hard to see. You can see the stems, flowers, and leaves on many plants. Most plants make their own food. They have pods that let them use sunlight to make food. This is another pattern in plants. Plants need sunlight to make food. Plants have parts that make food. The end.